Is your PC slow again? Don't panic. Today I will show you free with Microsoft Store tools like CCleaner that can clean, speed up, and optimize your PC in minutes. No shady website, no virus, only trusted apps and builds and Windows tricks. Let's get started. First up is CCleaner. You have probably heard about CCleaner version in Microsoft Store. Just go to the Microsoft Store and search for CCleaner. Then click install. I already installed. Let's open the app. Once it's open, then click scan PC. Once it will scan your PC from junk files. Okay, click clean and click next and click clean again. Click next. Okay, for now. If you want to update or optimize your PC performance, you can find hundred of tools there like performance optimizer, driver updater, software updater, or other tools. Second step is when Windows boots into, just go to the server and search for this clean app and open this app and then choose drive C and click OK and choose all of them and click OK and delete files. Just wait for a second, it will clean your driver. Okay, after that, right click on your taskbar, then go to the task manager. Once it's open, go to the task manager and go to the startup app and disable all apps. And these are the background apps that eat your RAM and make your PC slow. Just right click and click disable. It says disable. Okay, just press Windows plus I and search for storage and click this option and enable this option. This option will help you automatically delete temporary files or others junk files. Okay, press Windows and search for adjust the appearance and performance of Windows and open that and choose this option and click apply and click OK. Okay, and there you go, your PC finally breathing again. If this didn't make your PC faster, well, maybe it's time to upgrade from Windows XP. But hey, stick around, part 3 is for gamers. I will show you how to make your games run smoother with no lag and squeezy. Every piece out of your PC, so hit the like button and subscribe and let's make your PC faster than your internet.